He cenong galom cenong mon lang ladong de bentip chah yooh ha katrok ka start men hado yap to na cenong lom cenong ya uni ya ya kan katrok MCMO de bentip kam ka cenong nang bo den ga ni da chong i chem go ka start men kam jo gi pulen nei liang mi khmat ka start men da vendar bhansal de bentip ki pen lai katrok yong ki to gi wan mekhalia ya ya kan katrok yooh bru to wan khli terchi de vendar khana wa de chwa ya khja perdi ya pick up ya trok hewa kani ki pick up de kodong ga kani trok hado opo cha start cement be manap sia kani trok chapok karkhana ya ka pick up de wan de kjet we de yenyu khmat ka trok we de ku ha bumper kani trok de was dang odat ya yit ka trok haini ipor ya trok yu man nei dawate nyu de lai u khmat we da hab uni ya pick up hewa da cha yu marajia ini da pas mat ke ambulans ba doktor ka start cement tang wa uni bru de klat no u kat kam go video rio wa manapo ha ka gate ka start cement ko wa ka jack don hi kini ke truk dah lai suki ko we ni por ya ke pick up the one de ku ha bumper kini ke truk tang wa de lai back ko klem sange we na den de mg bru ko dong de kejet de one le sa ke pick up adin wa bana wa ji ni de one ki bru pai ba ki wa thang ke truk we rep sia ki le chpo ki thau ko kam ne wa tum pra le computer ki chuki ki me wa ki tiar gitar wa em ha po kamera udah vendar beti ule wa de em hado arho nya tu li ki truk wa chak ta
nga kamu he snong yong kalom snong mon lang la dong jing ito nin gasngi gajan met kawa jia hastar simen man pendap ko i da ka jing snasi ne ba da emu wi na kinong chong snong yong i wa man driver yang ka pick up da chah yooh ha ka truck simen yang ka star simen da man ka wa snasi i kam ka snong i bat ya borok he kau jia kami ni jingjia, te ke jingjia lor yang kini te ile dang ya budden ni kam ka chnong ya bo ke meeting ya chong meeting wa ka star bar kam jo ya ki wa ki pulit le ke jing to kini ka kam ne ba kam man ka te petit u driver wo yu yo ni na wo da yap le dang tho ki pulit o wa mem bu chem yo do ne ka singi te ikam ke wa dau lai chakmat to yoluti wa ki pulit le udang pai dang sli ki he ko kom ke wa to he knang wa na ka por support lai ujia kam ni jingjia was nyau si ta du ni he khadiak nga na le yang to te ke jing klam yang
evening.
Yeah, myself is a management representative from Star Cement. The incident which happened yesterday was actually the company's truck were there that was operated by some NECPL called. So all the drivers are from the Meghalaya only. They are operating. So in yesterday's incident, I think there was some dispute on the road by some camper driver or this truck driver. Both the truck driver belongs to Kletirchi near Jowai, and camper driver belongs to Lumshnong. So there was some incident happened near Wyrta, I think. So that camper was chasing to the truck. When it reached to the plant, so there was some gap. So the truck was stopped at gate, and then after that, when it entered, that camper was also in along with the. It came, and then driver came by foot, and then he stood on the front side of the bumper of the truck, and he was putting the hand on the in the that glass front mirror, and I think by the truck driver was also scared or don't know what was there inside, and there was some incident happened. He fell down, and then truck was already in movement. So that incident happened. So when I was also not there, our team was there. They immediately rushed to spot, and then ambulance was provided. Doctor was there, but I think that was not alive, or that doctor certificate was there. And then the truck driver also fled after parked the truck in the parking, and then he fled. So at that time nobody was also not aware. So when they came, so then slowly that people also gathered what happened, and then that deputy headman of the village came along with the people, and then they tried to their family member will come, and then they took the body to the hospital, and then police also reached before time. They were also there. So after that, I think some miscreant or some nuisance people, they came, and then they tried to divert the issue from this to another matter, and then they're taking advantage of the situation, and then they try to, like in number of people they gathered, and then they try to hit the trucks at the parking, and then started breaking the glass, and then burning the trucks, and then one by one, and then they made some fear psycho in the plant. They destroyed the office, that transport office also they disturbed, and then the plant office also they have disturbed. So they created fear psycho for 2-3 hours in the plant. So that was the whatever detail was required by the police, we have provided them, and then accordingly that as per requirement, then whatever thing is there, police is taking care as per normal course of action, as per law they will deal. So that's a matter. They have broken number of computer system that damaged the chairs, office chairs, and then all room is computers are destroyed, cameras are destroyed, and phone were there. All things are in. So all whatever we have CCTV footage, the police has checked yesterday night, and they have taken all the footage as per their investigation requirement.